Okay, that's fun. Oh, look at this, what is this? Another M4.
Brand new, I think he just got it. Alright fam, check it out. We got E85 here for $2.49, but it is currently intertwined with the diesel. There we go. The Jersey slide.
Jersey slide.
All the way across.
That's what you do when you're trying not to miss your exit.
Yeah, the Jersey slide. Yeah. Up a little in fourth gear there, like I know you felt it.
Yeah.
I think that's because I just have too much ethanol right now. I thought it was the spark plug, so I replaced my spark plugs. I need port injection, and I think I need to tone down the E-mix down to like E50 to properly get the most power without any fuel cuts. When you shift next to someone, it ricochets off their car.
Like the sound?
Yeah. I let off the gas before I shift there, so there was no burble. There was just the whoosh. Yeah. You can start to play it like an instrument. People make fun of it. Yeah, they said it's singing the "Oh, say can you sing?" Ram going crazy.
Nice.
Where's he going? I love seeing crazy shit. Like, what the fuck? That was a Jersey slide. Delivery here, it's like immediately 500 horsepower, so you're already at a crazy level of power and torque, probably 500 600 pounds of torque, and then it slowly builds from there. There's no top speed on it anymore, like the limiter. So fast we just skipped over a huge pothole. I love that, you know? What's the best way over a pothole faster? Like,
Very true.
Literally. Fifth gear. Right now we're in fifth gear. It feels like third gear for any other car.
Just the pull has the torque in it.
It's insane. Saw that Supra.
Yeah. I'm behind it.
Woo! Bottomed out there. I have an aluminum skid plate, which is super important for the car.
That's covering the
Oil cooler. Yeah, there's just too much ethanol for the car right now. So I gotta mix in some 93.
You're basically doing alchemy.
Yeah.
Never been from Lawrenceville to almost Midtown that quickly.
We used to be able to go in the pandemic when there was no traffic on this at all. Imagine, at like 1 o'clock. From the BP in Midtown, right by Varsity, to the BP in Pleasant Hill in 20 minutes. It was crazy.
Oh my Lord.
Doing 150 the whole fucking way.
That sounds good. COVID was half a decade ago. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Time flies.
It does, but if you start, like, that's the whole thing of the consistency and like delivering at a certain level, you, in 5 years, you'll be ahead of everyone.
Yeah.
If you just start. I mean, not even 5 years, in 1 year.
Shoot, I see the person I was like 3 years ago and I've grown so much. It's wild. And we still have 5 more years left of this decade, so
Yeah.
I'm excited for what's to come. It's all about mindset, man. You have to believe you can change your situation, that you can make it.
Yeah.
It starts from there.
And you should be thinking in years. We're still in four-wheel drive sport.
Do you feel, since it's rear bias, do you still feel a little bit of that?
Only at the edge, like the limit at red line. Let's take this turn.
Oh, there's good grip on that, yeah. Great grip. What's that whooshing sound when you downshift?
It's boost being released to atmosphere.
Oh, that's that blow off.
Like a blow off, yeah.
God, that sounds so good with the windows up.
Yeah, it does, not right, not bad.
Yeah, that
I mean,
sounds really good.
here you get the ricochet off the wall.
Instrument.
It is.
Instrument.
Surgical. Musical.
I'm gonna impress the husband saying I play an instrument.
They're like, what instrument do you play?
very expensive.
It's German.
German.
It's foreign. Then you got the 10-year-old, 15-year-old German cars that are like now domestics. They don't sound as good either over time.
They're not even exotic anymore. They're domesticated.
They are domesticated. The power,
green card.
the power that is available for a modern day car under $50,000 is also insane, and that's
ridiculous.
also like scary in a way. Like I wouldn't imagine myself at 17, 16 driving a 500 horsepower car. It'd be a very bad idea.
And we're only talking about like combustion. If you talk about electric vehicles,
Electric vehicles are, I don't think they're safe at 500 horsepower, 600. That's crazy.
I don't trust the people, the NPCs I know. I don't trust them with that much horsepower sometimes.
And weight is destructive. It'll fucking go through the barrier,
A
dude.
soccer mom with like 600 horsepower is
On
scary.
Xanax and wine, bro.
Yeah, to
Like,
help her sleep.
people don't know how many mature women, I would say like adult women, are on antidepressants in the United States. It's an alarming number.
Yeah. Xanax and wine do that sleep. So this is like 35 to 20. It's such a big difference.
Yeah. 30 to 20, I think. 30, yeah.
Yeah, that's a
It is a big difference.
This almost looks like no tint, you know?
Right.
Like
You can tell at night when you take pictures of the windshield that it's tinted.
this. I was about to ask, are you sure they tinted it?
Yeah. But I still did want the interior to peek through a little bit.
I think I might go like 35 all around.
Yeah.
I like the light.
Yeah, over time, like this will get tan because always putting the hand out the window, you know, versus it'll be more tan than this.
That's fun. If you wore a watch too, you'd have
Yeah,
a watch
oh man.
Gunshots.
I really wonder what it sounds like behind the car.
You ever get your girlfriend to drive it and you like drive behind to see?
I don't think she wants to.
Oh, those last mops were pretty late.
Yeah. You can feel some G's here. We're in rear wheel drive.
Oh, that's that XM right there.
Yeah.
I've seen quite a few of those lately.
I haven't really seen any. I thought those were not selling too well.
No, I've seen like 5 here in Atlanta alone. It might be lease machines though, but I'm not sure.
They're super expensive.
Yeah, they're very expensive.
I actually don't even know what. There's like its own model. Like it's
Yeah.
not replacing anything.
I think it's supposed to be like a Halo, almost, but it's a weird Halo car. You know?
It's like if BMW just made like the BMW M.
Yeah.
It's the XM, like the SUV highest performance M car. New M3 is electric. Spy shots are out.
I saw that. It's pushing like 800 or some shit.
Outrageous.
Mental. I've seen like the, I mean, obviously it was in camo, but I'm not sure how I feel about like the rear lights being so like high. I don't know. We'll see. We have to see.
Oh yeah.
Like I know people hate it on this generation, but the moment I saw the grill, I was in love with it. 2020, I'm like, oh my god, I need one. I always liked like this design.
I just didn't know how adaptable they were, that they can do anything. Rear wheel drive, Xdrive, luxury, sporty, track, date night, anything. when you get the car tuned, I know you will. Tunes normally have what's considered like a throttle hang, where you let off the gas. It's so sensitive, and the throttle map itself still will give it, almost like urges forward even though you've left off the gas. It's still moving a little bit more forward than you expect it to. It's called throttle hang, and people who are not used to it will then, when they let off the throttle, they think they're coming to a stop more quickly than they are, and then they hit something. Yeah. It's really peaceful right now this time of day.
Little Shiba.
Their tails are so silly. Fold over.
They're silly in general.
Not bad.
Once you get it lowered, I don't know if you can go over steel plates anymore.
That's true. Especially with the splitter. Look.
Oh, Waymo.
Waymo.
We love Waymo. I love Waymo.
Did you?
Yep.
It's like. That's how the CSL is tuned too, from the factory. It does that.
I felt that on my my test drive of M4 at the dealership. One instance, I was like,
it's so throttle sensitive.
Oh, just here this weekend.
I haven't been inside.
I think every second weekend of the month it's free, but it's gonna be very busy if you end up going, because that obviously is free.
Every second weekend of the month?
Yes, which is next weekend. Yeah.
Nice.
Or if you're a Bank of America like member, the first weekend is free for any.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I went to Boston for free, like their art museum, and here for free.
Not many people have Bank of America here, I think.
But wait, the Pencil Tower is Bank of America Plaza, so.
True.
I've been up there. It's really cool. Because I used to, in my internship, I worked with like the cooling tower, so I'd always get to be the very top at on the roof. It was really
cool. Nice.
Yeah.
I haven't eaten here. I always pass by it. And then, of course, come here a few times.
WeWork?
This whole area, like their movie theater.
Wait, this is
it's a whole like mall basically.
Colony Square.
Yeah.
I interviewed for a job here.
Really?
Yeah, but they're like, yeah, we're not gonna pay for parking. So I'm like, okay.
What?
Yeah. It would have been like $25 a day to park here.
That's ridiculous.
And they didn't cover it. So I'm like, yeah, no thanks.
The parking garage is also a pain in the ass to get into. It's very tight and narrow.
Yeah.
The Four Seasons right around the corner. There's always nice cars there. The valets have one of the tightest garages I've ever seen. It winds down from the back, and it looks like it was made for cars like 40 years ago that were much narrower.
I mean, it was though.
It really was though.
It's crazy how big cars have gotten though.
Yeah.
I will say that.
If I was a valet trying to put an Aventador down there, I'd be like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Like,
it's like that game, you know, when you know that string and you try not to touch the edge of it, otherwise it buzzes. Probably feels the same.
Getting into this car, it was big, right? So I had to like learn the dimensions of this thing. Yeah.
I think this is smaller than my.
I see you, dude. Come on, move your ass.
I think this is smaller than my LS.
So. Jesus. That Subaru was going places.